Yes, class 5. So here we have the questions like choose the correct options for the following. The four biggest games in the ancient Greece were known as the Panathenian Games, the Panhellenic Games, the Olympic Games, all of the above. The four biggest games in the ancient Greece were known as the games that the biggest ones, but the four biggest ones were ever known as the Panhellenic Games. It was the Panhellenic Games. The games held at Corinth were known as the games which were held at Corinth, known as the Isthmian Games. Okay, so all answers are there. You have to just do it and try to solve it, and rest I'll see how much I can post up for you, and you can do it. But you have to do it yourselves and write down the word meanings properly and read the chapter and remember the word meanings, because there will be word meanings in your test also this time. So try to see and try to learn something about the Greek part, the Greece sports. Go on to Google and check and see how much information you can get and learn about it. Okay, so that will be the best thing for you to do, and you have to do it yourself. You have to know the 7 wonders. Try to see what are the 7 wonders of the world, of the ancient world. Now we have the new world, there's the modern world, there is a different ancient wonders. During that time, what is that? But out of the ancient world, we have the pyramids as one of the wonders of the world. We have Taj Mahal, we have the Eiffel Tower, everything. What are the sports in the Olympics are there? Try to learn about that. Then, in the next chapter we'll come to the modern Olympics. That was the ancient Olympics in Greece, and now we'll come to the modern Olympics. That is, the ancient Olympics were established about 3000 years ago as a part of religious festival to salute the honor of Greek gods, in particular Zeus. The festivals contained many different competitions including music and theatre performance as well as sporting events. In contrast, the modern Olympics are organized as a method of saluting the athletic talents of individual sportsmen and sportswomen from all nations, and for 2 weeks it is hoped that the conflict between different countries will be replaced by friendly competition. You have challenges, I'm going to beat you, I'm going to do this. So the modern Olympics has got a lot of things. We have Winter Olympics and all. So we'll come back in the next chapter and do that. So this chapter you are going to do. So we are done till, if I can tell you, we are done till the original Olympics, page 102, till chapter 9. We are done. You have to solve till here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 chapters left to complete this section. Okay, 5. So see you, take care, God bless, and hope to see you soon. Bye bye.